Hey guys, what's happening? We are here today with Adam and his yellow, what is this, bullnose, the 2000, what is this, 8 or 9? The 2008 bullnose. I love the color. Adam doesn't. And for me, I don't know why he doesn't want to just give it to me. It will match the bucky. It will match my color scheme, But he doesn't like the yellow. So we're going to strip this bike quickly. We're going for a Nighthawk black color scheme. And what color blue wheels?
Tanzanite blue. Tanzanite blue.
Tanzanite blue. You know, these lighties, these youngsters with these new colors. You know, when I grew up, it was red, white, yellow, and blue and green. Done. You know, now it's Tanzanite. It was light blue, dark blue, or navy blue, or black. Now, Tanzanite and Nighthawk. Anyways, we're going to strip this bike now. It's going away to one of his friends as a panel beater. He's going to do the respray, going to fix up the colors, new stickers and things like that. And they are you powder coating? Were you? Are you respraying or are you powder coating the wheels? Oh, okay, so you're not doing the powder coating. Okay, cool. So the wheels are going to get resprayed as well. So all getting done, we are going to strip, and then in the next scene, we will be assembling. This is going to be a quick 5-minute job. We must do one of those where we go, and then it's blue. Hey? And it's not blue, not black. Damn it. Anyways, let's get to work. Yo, look at this. So this here has been glued with seam sealer to the frame, and then underneath over here, this space here is also glued with seam sealer. What is this? The bottom, the belly, the tray, the tail tidy. No, the tail tidy is this thing. But this is it's like a hot body tail tidy thing. But yeah, it's been glued. So this under tray tail tidy piece has been glued together there and here. So now we have to cut this fairing off. How weird. So weird. Isn't it weird? Oh, understand that, sir. What did they do here? There we go. It's loose now. It's weird how the house is empty and hollow, so everything is just rattling into the garage. Yes. Here we go. Oh, and there we go. Fully stripped. I love this look. If only we could fly bikes that look like this. Don't you think that would look awesome? So here we are. All the fairings. We still need to disassemble the headlight fairing. All the other fairings are already cleaned out. And then we need to remove the brake discs from the wheels. And off they go. Are you ready, sir?
I'm ready.
You don't look excited. Hiding in the corner.
It's been a time. It's been a time.
Right, let's get these off and then we do the click thing. Nope, didn't work. Those TikToks have gotten us, eh?
It looks stunning.
Special delivery. Look at that smile. Yo. Why did it hold it up to the light, man? It's a bit overcast, but okay.
Cost, yeah.
Nice. Yo, this is gonna look amazing. Is this the front wheel? Oh, in the bag.
It's in the bag, yeah.
Ah, nice. Nice. So when's the fairings coming?
Hopefully next week. Sorry, Saturday.
Oh, this week Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Was that like a week? No, 2 weeks total.
Yeah. So,
2 weeks total.
2 weeks, yeah. You started last week Thursday.
Oh, wow, look at that sparkle. Sparkly. We are back. Day 2. It's now been 2 weeks later. Fairings are back. Fully resprayed in Nighthawk black and Tanzanite blue. Huh? Okay, so everything is here, everything is prepped and ready. We are ready to assemble this bike, we're ready to put it back on the road, and hopefully we can be done within the next hour. We're giving ourselves an hour. Okay guys, let's do this. What do you think so far? Are you happy? Look at that smile. So the tail is on. Tail is looking good. The wheels are on. Wheels are looking good. Front fairing, mirrors. We're basically done. Side fairings and the tank. We have finally finished the bike. She is done. So let's quickly, before we check out what the bike looks like, speak to Mr. Owner. So Adam, are you happy?
Extremely happy with the outcome, yeah?
Extremely happy.
Yeah.
So let's just quickly recap. So the color is not just black and blue.
Yeah, it's Nighthawk.
It's Gen Z black and Nighthawk black and
It was a Tanzanite blue.
Tanzanite blue. Fancy. So anyways, this was the yellow bike. Let's get a cold start. we show the bike, who did the work for you?
The guy's name is Muammar. CBR from Spray Bikes. You can.
Muhammad did the spray work. He did the Muammar.
Yeah.
Oh, Muammar. So he sprayed the wheels. He sprayed the bike. You bought the paint yourself.
Yeah.
Chose the color, everything like that. And that you bought here locally, Tanzanite blue and Nighthawk black.
Yeah.
And this man is extremely happy. Let's quickly take a look.